TikTok, the popular short-form video platform, has taken a major step forward by integrating electronic payment systems to elevate user experience and broaden its revenue streams. This strategic move has transformed TikTok from just a social media app into a dynamic ecosystem where users can easily shop, tip creators, and participate in monetization activities seamlessly. By forging partnerships with payment gateways and digital wallets, TikTok now offers in-app purchases like virtual that users can send to their favorite creators as tokens of appreciation. These coins, which can be acquired through credit cards, PayPal, or mobile wallets, can be converted into actual money, giving creators a tangible income source and promoting the creation of high-quality content. Moreover, TikTok has also ventured into the realm of e-commerce through features like TikTok Shopping, enabling businesses to showcase their products directly on the platform. Users can now browse and purchase items without having to exit the app, all thanks to the integrated payment systems. This seamless and secure experience, supported by trusted payment processors, aids businesses in reaching a wider audience while making shopping easier for users. Electronic payments play a vital role in TikTok's live streaming feature, where viewers can send virtual gifts to creators in real time. This capability not only boosts creator earnings, but also enhances viewer engagement, creating more interactive live streams. To maintain this vibrant atmosphere, fast and reliable payment systems are essential. At TikTok, user security is paramount. The platform employs advanced encryption and fraud detection technologies to safeguard user data and transactions. By collaborating with reputable payment providers, TikTok ensures the secure handling of payment information, fostering user trust and encouraging financial activities within the app. In summary, TikTok's integration of electronic payment systems has significantly enhanced its functionality and user experience. By facilitating in-app purchases, e-commerce, and live streaming monetization, TikTok has built a thriving ecosystem for seamless interactions and transactions. Its commitment to security and partnerships with reliable payment providers solidify its position as a leading social media and e-commerce platform. As TikTok continues to evolve, electronic payments will remain crucial for its continued growth and success.